Fly.
Lasing na.
Tayo si Diche.
Yung ko naman, yung mga... Same lang tayo.
Ako.
Sige, inom tayo. Okay, tayo. For the sake of ano.
Mura kasi andot sa'yo.
Sino next mo?
Hindi ka na mambigay. Mura sa andot ba? Papandot. Yung tiyuin natin.
Hoy, Jake, inumin mo yung double na apat ko
Baka ko na sa Louis.
Ito, inom na naman kahit lasing.
Sige, isa na lang kayo doon sa double ko.
O sige, ikaw na Timer. Bunot ka na.
I just wanna be fair.
Akin.
One pair must only speak with one syllable.
Akin.
Messes up that person.
Syllables daw.
Dito.
Drink.
Ikaw, ikaw na.
Drink.
Okay.
Take.
Pumikit na yung mata.
Ever.
It's two.
Elmer. It's 2 syllables. Jake is just a 1 syllables.
No!
Kasi ano
You need
siya.
to be fair.
Hindi, kalati lang.
Keep being fair.
Kasi
Tito!
Kalati lang.
Pengi ng noodles.
Oh, mamaya, nandun na. Nakanda na. Ha?
hindi ko makakot.
O, sige, okay.
Yung anak mo, pinaparusahan ako.
Siya lang.
Ba't puno?
Fair.
Sabihin, ikaw si Bunot eh.
Ha? Ako yung next. I hope it's not you drink. Okay. Imitate another player. First person to guess correctly pick someone to drink.
Hindi.
I
Crying!
want you to be proud of me.
Jocelyn!
Bibi!
Ako na, Jocelyn!
Bibi.
It's me, Jocelyn.
You pick.
Ate.
Don't
Okay.
be so...
It's you.
You need to be proud.
It's you.
Okay, after her, I will drink.
You're so unfair.
No, I'm not.
That's why I gave him for the double, but then...
Ito, don't video it.
Oh,
Okay,
Mati,
that's
oh.
mine. Okay, I'm
Faster
being
na.
fair, okay?
Ikot.
Not because we're siblings, I need
Ikot.
to be...
Okay.
Ikot.
Let's everyone votes on who is the most likely to dodge drinks.
Dutch drink?
That
Jake,
person
you.
drinks.
You! Dutch drink, it's you!
Timer.
Okay.
No, it's you.
Oh, after a timer. Asan ba ito? Uban.
Wala na. Nagka-litsi na yung bra.
Kamay pa no. Minsan mong ka. Pataka mo
I
pa.
finished mine.
Oh. Meron pa.
You need to be careful because it's some papers done under this table.
Oche.
Might get wet.
Meron pa.
Everyone votes for a person to drink.
Oh. Timer. Timer tayo. Kanina pa ako ng drink
I
kasi.
vote for Bibi because she didn't drink much.
Oh, di.
Muna? Mimi? Okay, fine.
Liwat ni Petron talaga.
4.
5.
Wala
Ito.
na.
9 siya.
You know,
Eh,
I think
tama
it's
na
just
yan.
both of us like it.
Hoy. Pataka ka ako. 9. Muna inom na.
But I choose 4 for you and you've not drink yet.
I'm drinking. It's just already done.
So unfair. Ayoko na. Gapapang ako ha. Gapapang.
It's them. It's him, not fair. But me, I'm fair.
Ayoko na. Nahihil na ako.
Ay, pa ba yun
Ito!
today?
Tama na! Sabihin natin na sige ako. Hindi ako.
Hindi ko naman ipasa to
Asan
eh.
mo yung lalagyan natin?
Ha?
Yung ano nyo, kasi pwede ba sa birthday ko? Ay pa to.
Sa birthday mo pa?
Oo.
Pinagbigyan ka na nga?
Ay pa to sa
Papahirang
birthday
yan.
ko. Kaya pa to sa
I
birthday
hope
ko.
I will not get the you drink.
Lagi na lang ikaw sa drink eh.
And acting skills because I don't know how to act.
Ayoko na. Ito, pahinga na ng noodles.
Ah,
Maya!
I did not eat anything na po for dinner, no?